Hi guys! Today on Divas Can Cook, we are making these cute and fluffy buttermilk silver dollar pancakes. My kids love these pancakes and they freeze and reheat like a dream. Let's go! Okay, so we're gonna start with our dry ingredients. I'm gonna add my flour into a large bowl, and my voice is jacked up, you guys. I'm just getting over the flu. That's where I've been, honey. It's been crazy, but I'm back now. I'm feeling great. Okay, so now we're gonna add in our baking powder, baking soda, and then salt. Go ahead and dump that in there and whisk it around. You can also sift it if you want to, but use a good old whisking. That's all you need, y'all. Oh, and there's my sugar. I almost forgot my sugar. Yes, gotta have that sugar to kind of sweeten things up a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna whisk this around and now we're done. Perfect. Move on to our wet ingredients. All right, so into this bowl, I'm gonna add in my egg, room temperature egg. Then we're gonna add a little bit of melted butter to give our batter some flavor. Melted butter and pancake batter, yep, you gotta do it all the time. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in some vanilla extract. You can put in some butter flavoring if you want to, but I don't do that, just vanilla extract. Okay, so while you're whisking this around, go ahead and just whisk in that warm buttermilk. Now you can use regular milk if you need to, but really try to use good old-fashioned buttermilk. It makes these pancakes rise up really fluffy, gives it that bomb texture. Yeah, so don't skip the buttermilk if you can help it. Okay, now we're gonna add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. I am making a mess, oh my gosh. Okay, so go ahead and stir it up until your batter is nice and smooth, but you do want it to have a few little lumps because pancake batter should be lumpy. You don't wanna like over stir and get those tough flat pancakes, no. You wanna have a few little lumps in there. Okay, that looks perfect, just like this nice fluffy batter. Okay, I'm gonna let this batter hang out for a little bit while I prepare my pan. I have greased my non-stick skillet, and when it's nice and hot, I'm gonna add my batter. I'm using this little mini cookie scoop right here. It makes the perfect silver dollar pancakes, and it's so neat. I like it because it makes them so uniform and pretty. When that one side is done, flip it over. Look how it just puffs up. I love these doggone pancakes. Okay, so go ahead and cook that other side, and then when that other side is nice and golden, this takes like 3 minutes tops. Doesn't take any time at all. Go ahead and place them on a cooling rack. Don't stack them up because then they'll get kind of soggy because they're very steamy. They're hot. So place them on a, I just said don't stack it up, and look at me, stacking them up. I am just so hard-headed. Okay, so just go ahead and repeat until you have all these little adorable little silver dollar pancakes. And that's it, they are done. You can freeze them just like this. It makes such a quick and easy breakfast. I do this for my boys all the time because they love pancakes, and having them all ready to go in the freezer, it just makes morning so much easier. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Later.